Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get followers on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and search for Social Booster. When the results are shown, tap the first link. You will be taken to the Social Booster homepage. Here, scroll down, tap Pinterest, and tap Followers. You can now buy your followers. First, choose your package and tap Instant Real Followers or any of the other options at your convenience. Once you do that, the price per follower will be quoted. You can also choose the number of followers you get. Remember that more followers equals higher price. Next, add your Pinterest account link and tap Submit. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Finally, add your payment details and tap Pay. And that's how you get followers on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.